What's good, people? It's your favorite music producer, Musical Xhepard, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create an Amapiano beat. I know we've been gone for a long time, but we are back now. We've been working on the website so that you can download and also purchase some of the products that we have for you guys that we think would help you on your musical journey. The link will be in the description below. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So when you're building percussion, you need to establish a rhythm first. It's gonna help you when you place these elements, where to place them, because now if you just place these elements, it's not gonna make sense. So you need to have the rhythm in your head. Okay, so we're gonna highlight these percussion elements and then move them to the mixer so that we can create a drum bus or percussion bus for them. Let's name this drum bus, or you can name it percussion bus. Then let's give it some color, and then we are gonna add a parametric EQ to remove the frequencies that are going to disturb the kick and the bass, and then we are also gonna add some reverb, just not too much. Yeah, I think that's fine. And then a stereo enhancer. Yeah, it sounds nice. Let's continue with our percussion. So we're gonna give ourselves like roughly 10 minutes for the percussion, and then we're gonna move on. And then let's decrease the volume. So I've been getting a lot of comments, people saying that my rough drafts or my samples are properly mixed, and I don't mix them, I just do leveling. This is what I do when I produce. So I just level the elements properly so that when I send the draft to the engineer or even the client, then they get a decent mix. It's not like mixed fully, but you can listen to the song. So we're gonna get rid of the tail here. And send it to the drum bus. That sounds like a decent percussion. So right now we are gonna add shaker. Let's add shaker 10, shaker 10, shaker 10. I hope it's gonna sound nice. Then send it to the mixer. Then we're gonna decrease the volume of the shaker. We can also add this one. It makes the shaker more fuller. I think like inside this shaker there are like 2 shakers. Okay, so I'm gonna use the African premium pack for our chord progression. So this pack is available on our website if you want to purchase it. Let's open Launch Lizard. It's so good to be back, man. It's been a minute. Let's try and use the first progression. so decrease the velocity and change the preset because it's a bit harsh. We need a soft grand piano. Then we are gonna add a bit of reverb. Looking for synthesizers. Let's try flex. I like the pitch bend. Remove the low frequencies. Create a policies. Future video, I'm gonna show you guys how to come up with nice melodies. Yeah. Go. Okay, so here it needs another shaker, and we're gonna go to the compilation pack and then select, let's use 14 here, and then we're gonna use the black shaker later on. This is my favorite preset. It's on almost all my songs. Then we're gonna add the second bass line. Okay, so we're gonna make this part of the log drum unique. Okay, so the only thing that's missing is the percussion. Then we are literally done. Let's use a rim shot. I don't normally use rim shots, but I have a feeling that it's gonna sound nice. Let's search tribe. Okay, so I am going to make a separate video arranging this song and finishing off this song. If you'd like to purchase the chord pack, it's available on our website at asourceplug.com. And thank you for tuning in, and it's good to be back. Signing out. Peace.